Hello Scott, how you going?
Yeah, very well.
I like this beast, mate.
Bigfoot.
This is the best looking one I've ever had.
It's gonna take us places.
Where are you going to go in this thing?
Well, we got a farm up on the Hunter Valley. We take the kids up, go
Nice.
traveling through the creeks and up the mountains.
Awesome. No roost shooting though.
No, none of that.
We just had a Newcastle bloke ring us for the triple sunroof one so he can stick his head out and go roost shooting.
We go out and find the animals and bring them back into our home more than we shoot
He shoots him and you rescue him. That's good on you. Mate, enjoy. Were you happy with the service at Sunrise and Edward Lee's?
Excellent service. Thank you very much.
All right, mate. Good on you. Put it. Hang on. Elbow. Chuck it there. Thank
There
you.
go. Modern day
Enjoy.
handshake.
Thanks, Scott.
All right. Thank you
Drive
very
safe.
much.
See ya. If you want a Bigfoot, call us at SunRIseCars and Edward Lee's Imports. Come and say hello. That's my handsome face there. My name's Phil Lee. Thanks for watching this video. See ya. Whoopsie.